Hello there guys, there's only 4 days left before they reveal the highly anticipated Bambu Lab H2D. We've got some more insight reveals and full specs on the H2D and love to share it and discuss it with you.
9, 6, 9. 8, 6, 9.
So here are the full specs that we could retrieve from the internet for you. Apparently the build volume has different build volumes depending on the configuration. Single nozzle configuration is 325 by 320 by 325. Dual nozzle configuration is 300 by 320 by 325. Two nozzle configuration is 350 by 320 by 325 millimeters. This gives you a plenty room for larger prints, especially with a dual nozzle configuration for multi-material prints. However, the slightly smaller build volume with the dual nozzle setup could be limiting for larger projects that require 2 or more types of filament. On the upside, dual and multi-material printing open up a lot of creative possibilities. While the build volume is sizable and it may not be enough for those looking to print significantly larger parts, especially compared to the industrial 3D printers. The H2D supports a wide range of filaments including PLA, PETG, TPU, PVA and even more advanced materials like carbon fiber reinforced filaments. The extruder is made of hardened steel which ensures durability. It's also equipped with a high precision permanent magnet synchronous motor which promises quieter and more precise extrusion. The supported material type make the H2D highly versatile, capable of handling everyday filaments, engineering grade materials and even specialized filaments like carbon fiber composites. The nozzle temperatures maxes out at 350 Celsius, which is sufficient for most filaments, but it could be limiting for higher temperature materials, certain types of PEEK or ULTEM that require higher temperatures for extrusion. It could be great if this printer could support even higher temperatures for a wider material range. The toolhead max speed is blazing 1000 mm per second and the max acceleration is 20k, which should allow for incredible fast speeds. While the high speed and acceleration are impressive, it raises concerns about print quality. Can the machine maintain detail and fine resolution at such speeds? Fast printing may lead to issues like poor layer adhesion, warping, or loss of precision, particularly when working with detailed models or more intricate geometries. Maximum heat bed temperature is 120 Celsius. The chamber temperature can be actively heated to 65 Celsius. The heated bed and control chamber temperatures are excellent for adhesion, especially when working with materials like ABS and ASA, which tend to warp without proper thermal management. While the chamber's heating is a nice touch, the max temperature of 65 degrees Celsius might be on the lower end for certain demanding filaments like nylon or polycarbonates. The heated bed is solid, but it would be ideal if the chamber could go higher for better support with high temperature filaments. We will continue in a short while, but let's first hear about our sponsor of today.
Introducing PCBWay.com, the online one-stop shop for all your electronic ambitions. Need circuit technology or small-run manufactured parts, PCBs, 3D prints or CNC millings in PLA, ABS or aluminium, and a whole rainbow of color options. Upload your specs, approve the design, pay and await express delivery. Fair pricing, no minimum orders, and total control throughout. Contact our design team at PCBWay.com.
The H2D is also equipped with a 10 watt and a 40 watt laser module offering powerful engraving and cutting capabilities. Max engraving speed is 1000 mm per second, max cutting thickness up to 15 mm basswood plywood with a 40 watt laser. The fact that it can cut through wood, rubber and even thin metal means you have an all-in-one tool that can handle a wide variety of materials, perfect for makers and small businesses. While the 10-watt laser will handle engraving nicely, the 40-watt laser will provide more power, but the max cutting thickness of 50mm might still be limiting for those looking to cut thicker materials. The laser safety class is also something to be cautious about. Class 4 lasers are dangerous and require proper safety precautions. The cutting module adds another layer of versatility to the BambuLab H2D, making it a truly multifunctional machine. Cutting area is 300 by 285mm, drawing area is 300 by 255mm, supported pen diameter is 10.5mm up to 12.5mm, max cutting thickness is 0.5mm. The cutting module is designed for precision work, ideal for creating intricate designs on paper, vinyl, leather, and other similar materials. It works by using a blade with a cutting pressure range of 50 to 600 GF, which gives it a good range of force for various materials. It comes equipped with multiple cameras, a live view camera, a nozzle camera, toolhead camera, and a bird's eye camera, all with high definition resolution. There's also filament runout sensor, filament tangle sensor, and a power loss recovery. The H2D uses Bambu Studio, and it also supports third-party slicers like Cura and Prusa Slicer. The control interface is accessible via touchscreen, mobile app, and PC app, which makes it very convenient to manage prints remotely. The fact that some advanced features might not work with the third-party slicer could limit some users who prefer using slicer they are familiar with. Additionally, the reliance on apps for control might be a bit frustrating for those who prefer more traditional PC-based setups. The price of the H2D will be $2,499 before tax and €2,699 including VAT, 2,299 Great Britain pounds including tax, 4,099 Aussie dollars including tax, and 3,199 Canadian dollars before tax. These are the prices for the base machine with the AMS HD. The laser module and the cutter will have different prices as combos or separate add-ons. In my opinion, the H2D will be a great printer to print with, but I'm not sure about the laser engraving and cutting capabilities. To wrap it up, I will show you guys the full spec sheet on the screen right now. I do have to caution you that these specs might not be 100% accurate. As always, hit the thumbs up if you liked the video and subscribe if you haven't already for more 3D printer news in the future. Keep safe and bye for now. Bye!